I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today I thought it would be a lot of fun to do a dessert that is really easy, but it has a huge wow factor. It's called an ice cream bombe. The idea of molding desserts started in France in the 16th century, and by the 18th century, they were making ice cream. A bombe is a dessert made in a round mold so it resembles a cannonball. You'll need a small bowl for your mold, then cut 2 pieces of pound cake a ½ inch thick. Then use the small bowl to cut the piece of cake. Next, line the bowl with plastic wrap and fill it with softened ice cream. Put the pound cake on top and freeze the ice cream for 1 hour. When the ice cream is hardened, unmold it onto a plate and ice it with Cool Whip. Put it back in the freezer until you're ready to serve it. I'm going to surprise Jerry with this tonight, but I'll go ahead and cut into it so you can see what it looks like, okay? This is so easy and so good and totally Pinterest worthy. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Have fun in your kitchen, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.